Hey guys, this is SB World back here with another video. So today we are gonna unbox the Sicher Gorilla Pod that I just recently bought from Amazon. So it comes in this box that you can see right over here. So let's quickly unbox it and check what's inside. And we can see a whole lot of things over here, and so I will just set it up and show you what it is. So let's keep it aside. And so that's what we get inside the box, and along with we also get this bubble wrap. It's very fun to play with these. It's really fun, like just popping them up. So let's keep that aside and look at the main things itself. So this is the Gorilla Pod. So as you can see, it's in this black and white color, and I had to say it's very well built from my first impressions. It also has a great grip, and those are the few things that you had to look when buying a Gorilla Pod. So let's keep that aside. And here you also get a mount, and it's a both horizontal and vertical mount, so that's very good, and it feels like a good strap for for your phone. So let's keep that aside. And this is a small letter from the company themselves. It's thanks, need help, things like that. I don't think we need that. And this is a Bluetooth remote controller for taking photos, and they call it the Bluetooth remote shutter, and it works in both iOS and Android. So you had two booklets over here, and you know that we don't need that over here. Let's keep that aside. And this is it. So it is really tiny, and I don't think you can focus it clearly, but yeah, it is really tiny. You can tie it to your keychain and carry it around, and just place something over the camera and keep it around. And it also comes with an app which you can which will allow you to take photos and videos if this does not work with your normal phone app, the default app. So Bluetooth pairing will work with both Android and iOS, so no worries about that. And now let's keep that aside, and that's it for the unboxing. And now let's review this thing. So coming to the review of this Sicher Gorilla Pod, I actually bought this from Amazon for an offer of 35%, so that the actual price is $9.99. so after the 35% off, you will get it for $6.49, so that's almost 350 rupees less, and that's a great deal because the real Joby Gorilla Pod, no matter for what discount you're getting, even if it is the biggest discount, it would only come up to like 1,500 rupees. But in this case, you're getting this Gorilla Pod for 650, and you're not missing much of the features that you would get on it. As I already said in my unboxing, that this is very well built, and this is not something you find in the cheap Gorilla Pods, because they just do not stay this way. They are more flexible, but this stays stiff and is flexible at the same time. So that's a good thing when you're balancing very heavy objects like a DSLR on this, and it is also capable of balancing DSLRs using this mount. and smartphones can be attached using this mount. And what I like about this mount is that it is really different from the normal mounts. The normal mounts are capable only of shooting videos in landscape mode, but in this case, when you put it like this, you can shoot it in landscape, and when it is kept like this, you can actually shoot it in portrait mode. So that's a two-way advantage. So thumbs up for that. Coming to what else you get in the box, you also get a Bluetooth shutter button. You can call it a shutter button with this, and I call it a great advantage because most probably reason why you prefer a GorillaPod over a tripod is because you can mount keep it in anywhere. You can just fold it up, and maybe on the bark of tree or on the branch of tree, you can just keep it in some awkward position and keep it like that. And in that cases, when you want to start recording, you can't hit the record button from that height. So this is really useful, and it connects with Bluetooth. Great thing over there. I don't have really much things to say about this negatively. Like, the only thing maybe which is negative is that it takes a bit time to bend this thing up. It's because it's too stiff, and that's a reason because so that it handles the heavy objects. But if you buy those Joby really expensive ones, it is easy to just bend them, and then too it would carry the weight. But this is not made of the same materials used in it, so there will be a difference. And so that it's not a major complaint, I can say. So yeah, and you can also use another mount, like you can remove this and use any other mount over here. So there's a lot of things going on here, so it's really bang for the buck. You can call it bang for the buck tripod. And if you're searching for one, definitely go buy this one. I had no things to say negatively. And if you're looking in a daily use, like you're a vlogger, and if you're using this as your daily driver for stabilizing your content, I would it is not really bad. Like, most probably you would be carrying it like this, so you're vlogging, you go through people, shakes, and it won't be much noticed. It really stabilizes the video to a great extent. So here are some sample footage that I captured using the Samsung Galaxy J6 along with this Sicher GorillaPod. Now this is some sample footage that I'm shooting without the GorillaPod, and it's shot on the Samsung Galaxy J6. So this is how a normal vlog would be. If you have liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and also share it to your friends. Also, if you need more content like this, be sure to click on the subscribe button and hit that bell icon to receive my videos as a notification all the time. Now, this is SB World signing off.